So first, once you finish your work, I will tell you what to do. Okay. So
Done. Can I show it to you?
what, Angel?
I'm done. Can I show it to you?
Yeah, show it to me. Very good, very good. Sanvika done. Okay. Is there anybody who has not done? Because class got ended na in between.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm not done.
I'm writing again.
Ma'am, I wrote it. Can I show?
Just a second. Let me write it. After that, you can show me. Okay.
Ma'am, I already wrote.
I know, but I cannot see you all. See all the students, no? Just a second. Give me a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
These are the friends. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Great. Now plus 1 is equals to. Just give me a minute. Now plus 5 minus 4 plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3 plus 3 is equals to plus 5 minus 2 plus 4 is equals to. Now finish your work. Who were left?
Ma'am, we should write this again.
Those have already written. Don't write it. Those who was not able to write at that time, you write. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am,
Atlika, I guess you have written it.
Yes, ma'am, already.
Very good, Shanuka Priya. I guess Purvika was writing. Purvika, have you done? Write it fast, Purvika.
Ma'am, can I show now?
Yes, now show me. Good. Very good. You have done your work. Very good, you have done. Very good. Do it fast.
Done, ma'am.
No problem. Do it. I'm waiting.
I'm done.
Done?
Can see this?
Yes, that means all of you have done. Okay. So now I will stop sharing my screen and we will do some question on tool. After that, I will share. Yes,
I'm not done.
Shrimita, do it fast. Do it fast.
Done, ma'am. Can I show?
Done. Now all of you have done.
Yes, ma'am. Can I show?
Yes, I can see. Good. Okay, now I will stop sharing my screen and keep your tool in front of you. First of all, let's start doing some tool practice. And after that, I'll be giving you questions, okay? Let's start. Shriyanshu, where is Shriyanshu? Why can't you join?
Madam की रिकॉर्ड
Is Shriyanshu there? Shriyanshu is there. Shriyanshu, unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not joining 2-3 classes.
You have not joined, then you have to see all the videos, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now keep your tool in front of you and clear all the beads. Ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
3, plus 1
plus 1
plus 5 minus 2 minus 5. Answer
2.
2.
2.
good. Shrimeda, keep your video on, okay? Don't switch it off. Clear. Again clear. Next question. Next question. 6 plus 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1. Now you have to speak the complement. Plus 5 minus 4.
Ma'am, 5.
Mine.
What's the answer?
5.
Answer is 5. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Answer is 5. Correct answer. Okay. I can see some students are doing very good. Clear the beats. Next question. 7 plus 2 minus 5 plus 2. Now what's the complement? Plus 5 minus
Ma'am,
3. Answer
6.
6.
6. Yes. Answer is 6. Very good. Beats clear?
I'm on 5.
Good. Beats clear now? Okay. 2 plus 2 plus 5.
Ma'am, 6 plus 2.
2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 5. Now minus 4 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2. What's the complement? Plus 5
Yes, 5.
minus 3. And the answer is Shreya the wrong. 5. You already had 3. You had 3.
Ma'am, 6 plus 2 is 5.
Wait, no, don't do direct
3 plus 2,
calculation.
5, sorry.
You had 3 now, Shreya make 3. And I said add 2. So plus 5 minus 3. Yes, what's the answer?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Okay, make 4. Beats clear and make 4. Now again plus 2. Same complement plus 5 minus 3. Now the answer
Ma'am.
is
5, 6.
6.
yes.
6.
Yes, 6. Now answer is 6. Now you know okay. Now I'm going to share the screen, right? And there you know how do we work? First 10 questions, answer in chat. I will be checking.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, next 10 questions. Okay. So you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So for 2, the complement is plus 5 and minus 3. So these are the first 10 questions. See, I have written complement also. Start doing it. Once you finish it, start writing your answer. I'll be checking it.
Ma'am, do we have to write the whole
Write answer in your copy.
complement also write, ma'am?
No, why would you write complement now? You have to solve the question on tool. Then why would you write complement? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do we have to write the whole question or only the answer?
Shrimeda, do we write all the question in every class?
No.
How do you write? You read out the question from the screen and you write answer on the copy. This is the same thing you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
I check now first 10 answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to do this?
What?
How to do this?
How to do this? Who is asking?
This plus minus.
Obviously.
Ma'am, because I don't know, ma'am, because I am not joining 3 to class.
I agree, you have not joined 2 to 3 classes, but you know how to make numbers on tool and how to subtract the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but whenever you are not having beads for adding 2, then you have to apply complement. And only +2 is there. +2 complement is there.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
how do you do the number 1 problem on the bottom one, like 2 plus 2 minus 6?
Where is the 2 plus 2 minus 6?
On number
Angel,
1.
you are reading incomplete question. You must have do it from the starting. Do this
Okay.
question again.
Okay,
2
ma'am.
plus 2 plus 5 minus 9. You must be having some number from there. You can subtract 6.
Okay, ma'am. 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 9. 3 plus 5 minus 6 plus 2.
See, I'm dictating the question. Clear all the beads. Make
Okay.
2 on your tool. Now add 2.
Ma'am,
Add
what are you
5. Wait. Now minus 9. What's the answer right now?
0.
Now plus 3. Plus 5. Minus 6. What's the answer right now?
Minus 6. 2.
Now plus 2. What's the answer right now?
4.
Now plus 2. Because you don't have 2 beads. Plus 5 minus 3. What's the answer right now?
6.
Now minus 6. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Advika, what
Thank
were you
you.
saying?
Ma'am, you was dictating. Can you say the question again?
I was dictating first question only from the screen.
Okay.
Because Angel was confused. That's why I was dictating only first question.
Ma'am, your screen is blurry.
Then there is a network issue on your side. Because I'm sharing the PDF.
Ma'am, can I left and rejoin?
Yes, sure.
Okay,
Wait,
ma'am.
let me remove the. Shriyanshu, don't write single answer. I'm not going to consider this. You have to write all 10 questions together. Although your first answer is correct.
Ma'am, now it's okay.
What?
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Sanvika, done.
Sanvika, start sending your answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Sanvika, I'm checking your answers once you send all your answers, okay? Wait, I'm checking who has sent it first.
Ma'am, Sanvika is sent.
I know. Sanvika, do second question again. Rest of them are correct. Do second question again, okay? No. Yes, Sanvika. Do second question again. Suhas, you also do second question again. Both of you are getting a second answer wrong. And let me do it.
Done, ma'am. I have sent second one.
Correct. Both of you now got it correct. Rest of you, start sending your answers fast. Do it fast. Ashrit and Anshu. Anshu, do second question again. Ashrit, all of them are correct. No. Ashrit, do 8th and 9th again. Do 8th and 9th again. Hardik, very good. All answers are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Excellent. I should do it fast. Anshu, you also make corrections in your work. Do all these questions fast. After that, we are going to do next 10 questions, okay? After that, we have one very important work to finish.
Ma'am, I'm in 10th question. Can you wait?
Yeah, I'm waiting. I will wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my all questions are correct.
Who is asking
Done,
this?
ma'am.
I'm
Done,
Anshu.
ma'am.
Anshu, I told you to do second question again.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm
done.
checking. Shri Adya, do Shri Adya, second, third. After that, fourth, fifth, correct. Shri Adya, do second, third, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. I would say do all 10 questions again. Gayatri, very good. All answers are correct. Tanmay, all answers are correct. Ashrit, all answers are correct. Satvik, do it fast.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Send answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, correct, Anshu. It's correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Advika, second wrong.
Okay.
And 8, 9, 10 wrong. Second, 8, 9, 10. Angel, second, third wrong. Rest of the answers are correct. Do second and
Okay,
third
ma'am.
again.
Ma'am, I sent it.
Shrimeda is still wrong. And is it you, like within a minute you have done all questions? How is it possible?
Ma'am, I've just been reading it fast and writing it and doing it in
No,
my address so
still
fast.
wrong. First wrong, third wrong. Then this 5 is wrong. Do it fast.
Ma'am, I'm going to send again.
Yes. Advika, answer number?
Ma'am, first one is of 2, then 9, then...
Do second again. Satvik, do third question again. Rest of them are correct. Beta, do third question again, okay? Rest of them are correct. Do it fast. Done. Shall we start next 10 questions?
Yeah, ma'am.
Satvik, do third question again, fast.
Ma'am, one a minute.
Shanmugha Priya, why are you not sending answer today?
Ma'am, 10th question.
Do it
Ma'am?
fast. Yes.
Here the number for 2 and 3. The answer for 2 and
2 correct, 3 correct. Very good, Angel. Now all answers are correct. Good. Advika still wrong. Advika, okay, I am dictating the question. Satvik, correct. You do it. Okay, on your tool. Advika, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Make 9 minus 2 minus 2. Now plus 2. What's the answer, Advika?
Ma'am, 7.
Now from 7 minus 6. What's the answer?
1.
Now plus 5. Now what's the answer?
6.
Now minus 6. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 0.
Okay, now plus 3.
Yeah.
Now plus 2. How will you add 2?
Ma'am, there is left about one beat
But
up and one
you have
beat
to
down.
add 2 na. So there's no use of one beat. But for adding 2, I told you complement. What's the complement?
Plus 5 minus 4.
Plus 5 minus?
Minus 4.
That is for 1. Plus 5 minus 4 is for adding 1 na. For plus 2, what is the complement?
Plus 5 minus 3.
Very good. So do it on your tool. Plus 5 and minus 3. What is the answer right now?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Now in 5 add 2.
What, ma'am?
In 5 add 2.
Yes.
What's the answer?
7.
Correct. Now your answer is correct. Okay, now we are going to Shanmugha Priya, wrong. Today all answers are wrong. What happened? Okay, now start doing these 10 questions. Okay, start doing these 10 questions.
Ma'am, in the first question, there is 3 complement.
How? Let's do it. I'm dictating the question. You do it on your tool. Make 6 minus 1. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 5.
Now plus 4. What's the answer?
Wait. 9.
9. Now from 9 minus 7. What's the answer? Don't mute yourself again and again.
2.
Now in 2 plus 6. What's the answer?
8.
Minus 2. minus 5. What's the answer?
1.
Plus 3.
4.
In 4 plus 2. Apply the complement.
6.
Now minus 5.
1.
Correct. This is the answer. How 3 complements are there? Only 1 complement. That was for plus 2. Do it fast. Very good. Do it fast. Have you done?
No, ma'am.
Do it fast.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am in 7th question.
Do all 3 questions fast.
Mom, done. I'm writing on the chart.
Gayatri, these are next 10 questions now.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I'm checking your answer.
1. 7.
These are not complete answers.
9.
Count just once.
5.
Suhas, do 4th question again.
2.
Do 4th question again, Suhas. And
3.
Gayatri, one answer is missing. Send me all 10 answers. After that, I will check your answers. Okay.
2.
Angel. Angel, do seventh question again. Do seventh question again. Sanvika. All answers are correct. Very good.
Ma'am, I am confusing in seventh question, ma'am.
Okay, I'm dictating. Fine.
Okay. Okay,
Just a
ma'am.
second. Just a second.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, make 9. Minus 1.
Minus 1,
2. Minus 1. Then minus 2.
minus 2.
What's the answer right now?
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 6.
Now minus 6.
Minus 6.
From 6 minus 6. What will you get?
0, ma'am.
Now plus 3.
Plus 3.
Now plus 2. Because you don't have 2 beats, which complement you will use?
Plus 5 minus 3.
Excellent. So what's the answer right now?
Ma'am,
Answer? 5.
No, ma'am.
What you did? Plus 5 minus 3. Then it should be 5 now.
0, ma'am.
How 0? You already had 0, Shanmukha. In that you added 3. In that you added 2. So plus 5 minus 3. Then how it is 0? Then plus 3. You have 5. 9, 5 plus 3. Now minus 5. Now plus 2 plus 1.
Ma'am, I understand the answer.
Wait, I'm checking. Wait, I'm checking. Why are you confused? Wait, I'm checking your answers. Satvik, do third question again. Rest of them are correct. Angel, yes, now your answer is correct.
Ma'am,
Anshu, do third question again. Rest of them are correct. Gayatri, all answers are correct. All answers are correct. Shri Adya, your third, fourth, fifth, all answers are wrong. Shri Adya, only two answers are correct. Now Satvik, it's correct. Shri Adya, you need to practice. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, correct, Anshu. Third answer is 7, correct. Okay, now stop doing this work. Stop it.
Not done, ma'am.
Shri Medha, I will upload this PDF. You need to do it twice.
Ma'am,
And you need to do all questions again and again because your speed is little bit slow. Okay? And you need to do practice because you are not getting correct answers today. Okay?
ma'am,
Yes?
I already sent, ma'am. You checked.
Yes. I have checked all the answers. Okay. Now, wait.